ready for this exercise. It's called Slackrobot. Get it? Slackrobot. Okay, you're gonna need a couple of props. So anything that you can put between your elbow and your ribs. Piece of paper, handkerchief, anything. Mask, not necessary, but fun. Okay. First progression. First progression is one prop. You're gonna come up onto the line, close to the anchor point. You're gonna pick a side. I'll start with the right side. Take the prop, put it between the elbow and the ribs. Okay, this is gonna keep you accountable as you walk. The goal is to maintain the elbow connection to the rib as you walk across the line. Okay, all the way there and all the way back without a turnaround. So in other words, we're gonna walk backwards. That's progression one. All the way to here, boom, make your way backwards. The whole reason, again, we have this prop is for accountability. If we're like, oh no, oh, you gotta start over, okay? Boom, progression one, there and back on one side. Progression two, you can guess it, there and back on the other side. So left side, prop between elbow and rib, and we're walking. I'm maintaining a drifty point, keeping the elbow nice and tight to the ribs, and I'm thinking about lifting up as I walk. Lifting up as though I have a string on the top of my head. Keeping the chest over the slack line. Progression two, the other side, all the way there, and all the way back. Boom, and back. The hand position doesn't matter. Palm up, palm down, palm to the side. Whatever feels good for you. Okay, I think you get the idea. Should be close. Boom. Grab your second prop. Hop on the line. This is the Slackrobot part. Coming up, placing the first item. Placing the second item. Maintaining both elbows connected to the ribs as you walk forward. All the way across the line, and then all the way back. Slight bend in the knees can help, but also lifting up the whole time. All the way there, and all the way back. Remember, if you fall off, that's what training's all about. Get back up, keep going. To finish progression three, hop back up on the line, close to the anchor point. Put your props back in place. Elbows to ribs, palms any direction, and finish your walk backwards. Got a lot of adjusting going on in the hips. But I'm continuously thinking about keeping the chest over the line and lifting up through my head, lifting up towards the sky, through the skull. And if you want, you make robot noises too. Send us your videos. Peace.